everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well guys, I'm back from my vacation and I'm ready to share with you another episode of Christmas with Chelle. I do hope you enjoy. After a wonderful vacation, I was so inspired to start some DIY projects for you. And here I have 2 Christmas boxes that I had from last year. I took them outside and decided to spray them in my favourite silver spray paint. While they were drying, I took these beautiful decorative crystal gems that I picked up from my local Spotlight store. You can pick these up at any craft supply or dollar store, guys, and I knew that these would be perfect for what I had in mind. Once the boxes were dry, I turned them upside down and I hot glued the smaller one to the top. Then taking those decorative rhinestones, I just selected a few and started hot gluing them to the boxes. Because they're all different shapes and sizes, I just randomly picked ones that I felt that I liked. Before continuing on, I took this dollar store bling ribbon and I wanted to hot glue it to both of the boxes. I then cut it to size and then hot glued it underneath the bottom box. I then took that hot glue gun once again and added it around the entire box, being very careful here once again, guys. You can see that I'm using a glue stick here just to push it down rather than my fingers. As you can see here, I've turned the box on its side and putting enough hot glue there, I then tucked it underneath the box. Whilst that was drying, I then continued on to cover both boxes with these gemstones. You'll only need one box here, guys. They contain about 150 gemstones and I didn't use the entire box by covering these 2 gift boxes. Christmas, guys, is creeping up so fast and I am in love with all the beautiful bling decor that has hit the stores at the moment. I'm so inspired by all the silver bling at the moment. So much is out there and I was inspired to do that here on my gift boxes. Once the boxes were completely covered with the gemstones, I'm going to take some of this dollar store ribbon. And what you're going to do here, guys, is you're going to cut 5 pieces to the size of about 12 to 15 centimeters each. You can see here that I stretch out the ribbon and taking the first one as my template, I cut 3 more to size. So folding them over, you're going to hot glue them at the join as well as the middle. Once all 4 pieces of ribbon are complete, what we're going to do here is create a large bow, guys. So hot gluing each one on an angle, you'll overlap them 4 times. I'm just showing you here what to do by adding them to the top of our box and I'm just going to hot glue them on top of one another. Once they were all glued together and starting to resemble a large bow, you will then hot glue it to the top of the box. I then took a silver bauble from Christmas last year and I removed the hanger. Now what you're going to do here, guys, is you're going to hot glue that to the centre of the bow. While that was drying, I then moved on to my second project. I picked up this satin cushion cover from my local Spotlight store and I knew I had a great idea in mind for it. I took a pen and a ruler, and what I did here is just drew a square box onto the front of the cushion. Now you just want to create a very thin line here, guys. It doesn't have to be heavy because we're going to cover that. Once that was complete, I then took this dollar store Bling ribbon and I cut it to size where I would hot glue it down the centre of my box. Once that was complete, I then took those decorative gemstones and I hot glued them over the entire box. Now just a handy tip here, guys, I think my mind was still on my vacation when I was creating this, but do remember to put something between your cushion cover before you start gluing anything to it. I have done this before. You think I would have learnt by now, but obviously my mind was elsewhere. It was an easy fix, but I did glue this together. So just remember to put some sort of surface in between your cushion cover before you start gluing to the front. Once that was complete, I'm then taking these dollar store crystals and going around that outline of the pen for the box. I covered the entire box. Once that was completely covered, I then took that dollar store ribbon once again, and we're going to create another bow here, guys. But what you're going to do, you're going to take out about 10 to 12 centimeters once again and cut out 5 strips of equal size. Again, you're going to glue them at the join, but this time you're going to fold them down at the very beginning and hot glue that in place, so there's only one loop at the top. Once you've got all 5 loops, you're going to hot glue them in place, starting with the first 2 joining at the middle. Then I took the second 2 and overlapped them, and then hot glued the 5th one to the centre. Once that was complete, you're then going to take that dollar store ribbon and cut a small piece at the front and hot glue it to the middle bow. And as a final touch, I took this decorative bling brooch and I hot glued that to the centre. And here are my decorative Glam Bling Christmas decor. Guys, I absolutely love anything that sparkles at Christmas time. There's nothing more beautiful than sitting on your couch and looking around your room and everything is so sparkly and shiny for the beautiful Christmas season. As an additional decorative touch, I added one of those Glam brooches to the front of my Christmas boxes. guys, can you believe that Christmas time is only 8 weeks away? I'm hoping to bring so many inspirational videos to you as I want to inspire you to create beautiful things for your home. So who can relate when I say that every year I say I'm going to get organised? Well, this year, guys, I'm so proud that I was able to bring Christmas with CHELLE to you rather early. The reason for that is that you can get organised leading up to the Christmas season. Most of the time, we all get a little stressed around Christmas time, but I wanted to share ideas with you so that you could create beautiful things for your home. Don't forget, guys, on Instagram, I have that hashtag, which is Christmas with CHELLE. So if you choose to do any of my DIY projects and recreate them, I would truly love to see them. Just upload your picture with the hashtag Christmas with CHELLE and I'll be sure to see them. It makes my heart so happy when I see people recreate something that I designed. A big shout out to you all, guys, and a thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your beautiful comments to me here on YouTube as well as Instagram while I celebrated my 20-year wedding anniversary as well as renewing my vows in Fiji. If you're looking for your next family vacation, honeymoon or couples retreat, I thoroughly recommend, guys, the Fiji Marriott Resort. I am working on a video for you of my entire experience in Fiji, so leave a comment down below if you'd like to see that video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Christmas with CHELLE. I hope I've inspired you all in some small way to create your very own sparkly glam pieces for this Christmas season. Don't forget, guys, I'm trying to reach that 20,000 subscribers by Christmas. I have a wonderful giveaway for you. All I ask is that you give me a big thumbs up, share my videos as much as you can, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as tapping that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. Leave a comment down below on any ideas that you might have in mind that you'd like to see me have a go at this Christmas season. I absolutely adore reading your comments, guys, and you are the ones that inspire me after all. So leave me a comment down below because I'd love to see what you'd like to see. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.